Welcome back, my dear student. How are you? Today I will explain the book exercise of the chapter Wonder. And in the previous video, I has completed two video and I explained the whole chapter into two parts, first and second. And then I also explained the book exercise of the chapter in first part, and today I will explain the exercise, and this video will be the second part of the chapter. Okay, so listen carefully. In the previous video, it means in the first part, I have explained the whole exercise of the book, like exercise number B, D, etc., are the exercises that you can do in your textbook. And today I will explain the answer of the question, book exercise number B and D. Okay, it is the part of question answer of this chapter. So listen carefully and note down all the answer in your CW copy, and note down question from your textbook. Okay, you will solve this book exercise with the help of both parts of the video in part first and second. So let's start the video and know the answer of the question of this chapter. Okay, so here is the question number A, exercise number A. you has you can see this exercise answer in the first video, and exercise number B, and I will explain this exercise. So listen carefully. I will prepared a notes for you, so read carefully of this video and note down and complete your CW copy. Okay, so first is, here is the statement. There you can see here given statement. Read the statement and then read the question and reply the answer. Okay, so here is the statement, and after the read statement you will read the question and then answer the question. Okay, so question statement is, and I feel ordinary inside. Okay, here is the August, and August says that I feel ordinary. Okay, why he feel ordinary? So question is, what made August say this, and in what way did he feels ordinary? Okay, it means why, what is the reason the August feel ordinary. Okay, so you can see here answer is, August felt ordinary because he liked the same things as other children his age. Okay, he also do the same things as the other children do in his age, like eating ice cream, biking, playing ball, and playing video game on the Xbox. Xbox is a gaming tools, and he says inside because he know that he does not look ordinary outwardly. Okay, it means he do all the works as a ordinary students or a ordinary kids, but in the outside he was not looking like a ordinary boy. Why? Because his face has 27 surgery, so he is an extraordinary boy. Okay, but in the when he do many of the work like a ordinary kids. Okay, now here is the second statement. People thinks I haven't gone to school because of the way I look. Okay, but it's in not that. Here is the August says that a reason and what is the, why did August not go to the school? Oh, it is the reason. How did he get his education? Okay, so its answer will be, August did not go to school because, it is the answer of the question, he has had multiple surgeries since he was born. Okay, it means when he was born in his childhood, and he has had multiple surgery. It means 27 surgery, and his face became very bad looking, so he did not go to the school. Okay, cause of the surgery, and his mother homeschooled him. Okay, how did he get his education? His mother homeschooled him. It is the answer of the second question. Okay, you can see here is the given two question. First question's answer will be August did not go to school because he had multiple surgery since he was born. And second question is how did he get his education? He his mother's homeschooled him. Okay, you can also write down he got his education to by his mother's homeschooled him. Okay, next is the weirdest looking kid I have even seen. Yes, but just a kid. Okay, here question will be, did Summer think August was odd? Why or not? Why not? Okay, so read here the answer of the question. Summer said that August looked a bit wired, looked only a bit wired, not completely wired. Okay, wired means as a strange. It's strange means he is not looking like a other person, and it took time to get used to. And she also noted that he was a messy eater, but she did not think August was odd. She thought of him as a child like himself. She found him to be nice and fun to spend time with. Okay, it means here is the August. What he think? He think that August is odd or not. So its answer will be Summer said that August looked a bit wired. Okay, he looked a bit wired or a bit strange, and uh, very different from the other people, that it took time to get used. So also noted that he was a messy eater. Messy eater means voracious eater. Okay, voracious means a person who eat much, but she did not think August was odd. Okay, he is think positive. Clear, he is think positive as a to the August. Okay, and she thought of him she thought of him as a child like himself. He also think that the August was looks like him. Okay, and she found him to be nice and fun to spend time with him, and he know that he is the good guy, and he spent many time with him. Clear. And next is, I had warned mom about August face. It is the statements, and question is why had Summer warned her mother? He asked the question. Here is the question asked a reason, and what had she told her? So answer will be someone knew that August looked very different from other people and guessed that her mother would be shocked when she met him. Okay, uh, summer summer knew before the all condition that create after the meeting of August and his mother. Okay, so she wanted to prepare her mother by describing August's appearance before he came home. Okay, he also recorded to her mother that the August was very strange, and he wanted to his mother that she treat well with the August. And Summer did not did things because she knew her mother could not hide her reaction well, and also she probably did not want her mother's, you can write down here R, okay, mother's reaction to make August feel awkward. Okay, so it's the answer of the fourth. And next is exercise number D, and here's the write the answer of the question. So question is, what do you know about August family from this extract? Okay, so here is the give the short introduction of his family and what was the behavior of his family to toward the August. Okay, so we know from this extract we know that August has a loving and supportive family. His sister is supportive and gets annoyed when people react rudely to his appreciations. His mother homeschooled at him so that he could learn things like other children, and cross the V. His mother home homeschooled him. Okay, homeschooled him so that he could learn things like other children. It is the repeat in two times, so you will cut the one of them. You can see here, his mother homeschooled at him so that he could learn things like other children, and you will cut down here this sentence repeat two times, so you will cut down here. We also learn that August thinks his family does not treat him like a ordinary child. Clear? It's answer of the first question. Second question is, why is August a medical wonder? Why is August a medical wonder? So answer will be, August is a medical wonder because he was very rare medical condition caused by the morphing together of two different syndromes. Okay, and he has had to undergo 27 surgeries during the first 10 years of his life. It means the August also suffering from two syndromes, and the medical save him by surgery. How many surgery? By help of 27 surgery, and so that the August is a medical wonder. Clear? Third is, did Summer find it hard to ask August about his appearance? Why or why not? Here's the question, why Summer find it hard? Okay, why Summer find it hard to ask August about his appreciations? So its answer will be yes. Answer will be yes. Summer found it a bit hard to ask August about his appreciations. She knew that other people react rudely to and treated him differently because of his appearance, so she did not want to make him sad or angry by asking about it. Okay, so Summer is the good guy for the August, and he think feeling of the August, and he did not want to angry or sad to him by asking the question. So the Summer find it hard to ask August about his appreciations, and it is the reason that I mentioned in the answer. So you complete the CW copy by help of the PDF note that sent at the WhatsApp. So thank you for the watching this video. Best of luck.